Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Pip Collector robot properly on your MetaTrader trading platform. The Pip Collector robot comes to you in a zip file, which you need to unzip first. To do this, you can use a free program like WinZip or 7zip to unzip the file. I'm going to use 7zip. Okay, after you unzip the file, you will see the expert folder, the presets folder, and the user guide. Inside the expert folder, you will find the expert advisor files for both demo and real trading accounts, as well as the presets files for both Euro USD and GBP USD currency pairs. Keep in mind that these files are only licensed for your demo and real MetaTrader trading accounts. This means that you can only use the demo expert advisor file in your demo trading account and the real expert advisor file in your real trading account. If you try to use the demo expert advisor file on your real trading account, the robot won't work. The steps to install both demo and real trading accounts are the same. So here I will show you how to install the demo expert advisor. Sign into your demo MetaTrader trading account. So I've already signed into my IC Markets demo trading account. First, go to the file and open the expert folder. Now, copy the Pip Collector Demo Expert Advisor file and paste it into the MetaTrader Expert folder. Then go back to the Pip Collector folder and copy and paste the set files in the presets folder into the MetaTrader presets folder. Then close and restart the MetaTrader. When you restart, you can see the Pip Collector Demo Expert Advisor file we just copied right here. Now open a new 1 hour chart for Euro USD or GBP USD. As you know, the Pip Collector Expert Advisor works with 1 hour charts. So whatever currency pair that you choose to run the EA, you have to select the 1 hour time frame. So in this case, I'll use this Euro USD chart. After that, in the Expert Advisor section, double click or you can drag the Pip Collector Expert Advisor to the chart. After that, a window will pop up like this. Now go to the Comments tab and check the boxes for Enable Alerts, Allow Live Trading, and Allow DLL Imports. Then go to the Inputs tab and click the Load button. Then choose the correct currency preset file and click Open. Basically, if you want to run the robot on Euro USD 1 hour chart, you should apply the Euro USD preset file to the Euro USD chart. Similarly, if you are planning to run the Expert Advisor on the GBP USD 1 hour chart, then you should apply the GBP USD preset file. As you can see here, when you load the preset file, the optimized settings will be automatically updated in the Expert Advisor. After that, click OK. Then click this Auto Trading button on the status bar to start the robot. You will see a smiley face like this in the top right corner of the chart window. That means the Expert Advisor has been successfully installed on your chart. Great. We have now successfully installed the Pip Collector robot on the MetaTrader platform. Always remember to use the correct Expert Advisor file for the correct trading account. That means you should use the Demo Expert Advisor on your demo trading account and the Real Expert Advisor on your real trading account. Also, don't forget to load the correct currency preset file into the right chart. That is very important because the settings are different for each currency pair. So if you mix up the preset files, the results generated from the Expert Advisor will be drastically changed. So keep that in mind. Before using the Pip Collector robot, I strongly recommend that you read the user guide included in the folder. The user guide has important information about how to use it correctly and what to do and what not to do. So read it carefully. Well, that's about it. It's a pretty easy installation. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email and I will answer to your questions. Thank you very much, and I will see you with another video.